I tried to escape this crazy life, but it just wasn't the right fight. You were right.
When your lemon chicken calls for browning and slow cooking, we make it so easy to do it all in one place. Combination cooking with the Cuisinart Cook Central 3-in-1 multi-cooker for saucy bolognese, low and slow. Braise short ribs, go high and low. Simmer soups and super chili. And even steam artichokes. With the Cuisinart Cook Central, you don't have to cook. It does the cooking for you.
From Wolf Gourmet, the way you cook is about to be revolutionized. Introducing the Multi-Function Cooker. The intelligent design of the Wolf Gourmet Multi-Function Cooker allows you to cook sous vide, the French technique of cooking sealed food in a water oven to a specific temperature, giving you precise results. Fish, steak, eggs, and even desserts can be cooked gently and evenly throughout. The temperature probe is used to control the temperature of the water. Once the water reaches the chosen temperature, add your sealed food. Press timer and the display will count up to let you know how long the dish has been cooking. The temperature of the water will stay the same and your food will never overcook. That means even if your guests are running late, their meal will still be cooked to perfection. The sous vide setting can even accommodate larger roasts for up to 72 hours. And with the versatile stainless steel vessel, you can sauté or sear your dish before or after cooking sous vide to achieve that perfectly caramelized crust. With the Wolf Gourmet Multi-Function Cooker, you can create a culinary masterpiece with confidence. More precise control means more delicious meals every time.
The new KitchenAid multi-cooker delivers amazing versatility and consistent culinary results. Over 10 cooking methods, including 4 step-by-step modes, simplify cooking using precise and consistent even heat technology. Sauté or steam vegetables or chicken without additional cookware. Simmer a bisque or sauce to perfection one day, then slow cook savory cassoulet the next. Start a busy day with Irish porridge and berry compote, and finish it with a perfectly seared melt-in-your-mouth roast. It's one cooking vessel with amazing versatility. The optional stir tower can mix, flip, stir, and incorporate fresh ingredients at the start. Stir intermittently or throughout the entire cooking process. Prepare risottos, soups, rice, and even yogurt with one button, as your multi-cooker simplifies complex cooking sequences and temperatures for you. Or make dishes like coconut curry shrimp and vegetables effortlessly. Discover how easy gourmet cooking can be with your KitchenAid multi-cooker.
No, my master not get no color. Yeah, my master not get no color. Together we are go feel that soul. Run the dance floor, make the world go round again. Oh, yep, it's Friday, oh, just a free day. Oh, my mustard not get no color. Yeah, my mustard not get no color. Together we are go feel that soul. Run the dance floor, make the world go round again. Oh yeah.